Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to clear app cache on iPhone. To clear your app cache on iPhone is very simple and very easy to do. The first thing I want you to do is this. I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up the settings. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, I just want you to scroll down and tap on General. So once you tap on General, I want you to tap on iPhone storage. So once you tap on iPhone storage, it will bring you to this page. On this page, you want to scroll down and look for the app you want to clear. Let's say I want to clear the YouTube app cache. Maybe YouTube is taking too much, then I want to clear the cache. So how do I do this? I can do two things here. The first thing I have to do, I can offload app. Once I offload app, this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. But the best thing I want you to do here, I want you to tap on this delete app. So once you tap on this delete app, it will delete this app. So you just have to go back to your Apple Store. So and re-download it again. Once you download it again, it will come back fresh. So all the cache will be gone. So guys, this is how you can actually delete or clear app cache on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.